bird nesting issue, and how to resolve it. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the bird nesting issue and how to resolve it. In embroidery, bird nesting is an issue when threading wads in the backside of embroidery design or at times at the front. It creates a problem in the life of a designer and the embroidery machine operator. So why does this happen? Most of the time, it is the issue with the bobbin. However, issues with the threading of the upper thread, bouncy hoops, many jumps in the designs, and wrong thread tension can be the reasons for bird nesting. How to resolve bird nesting. Check if the issue is caused by the tensioners. Turn the tensioner knobs to the right to tighten or to the left to loosen. This resolves the looping problem. Check the bobbin for proper tension. Create a space between the hoop and the bobbin. Keep a look at your machine's maintenance. Use stabilizers for proper fabric placements. Get your designs digitized from a good embroidery digitizing service. Bird nesting is an issue that can hamper productivity and ruin fabric beyond repair. Avoid it by correcting simple mistakes that are cost time and money. Make sure that you pay attention to every detail. We at Cre8iveSkill garner expertise in digitizing designs that do not cause your machine to get into an issue of bird nesting. Contact us to place your orders. The information is given in the description box below.